everyone, I am Trapti Parik. I am working as a legal intern in Lexis and Company. In this video, I will talk about mistake of law and mistake of fact. Mistake of law and mistake of fact are the general defense in Indian Penal Code. Now, before we start the concept of mistake of law and mistake of fact, first we need to understand what is general defense. Now, general defense means an excuse that help a person to escape his liability if his action is qualified under the given provision of the defense. If the defendant failed to prove that why he has do that act, he cannot escape from his liability. According to tort, mistakes are of two types: mistake of law and mistake of facts. Mistake of law is no defense in the violation of law. It is presumed that all the people who know and understand the law, except minor and lunatic person, there are few rare exceptions to the mistake of law. A mistake of fact can be an exception in reducing or eliminating the liability of a person. A person cannot escape his liability for intentional mistakes. Mistake of facts arise when a person does any act but misunderstood some fact that negates the element of a crime. A mistake of fact as a defense applies to the various crimes. If the criminal defendant can prove that he does the act due to mistake of fact or misunderstood some fact that neglects an element of crime. Now, let us understand with the illustration of mistake of fact. A take his dog daily to the park so that the dog play with the other dogs. One day, A lost sight from his dog for a few minutes. 2 minutes. Well, 2 minutes. He relocated the dog and walked toward his home. At the home, he noticed a mark on a dog and come to the conclusion that he is not his dog. Now, A mistakenly taken the dog of another person. In this case, A is not liable. A is not liable, and he can take the defense of mistake of fact. Now, we see the another example of mistake of law, that A and B playing the games on in the laptop in B's house. At the time A leaves, he took the laptop from the table, believing that it was his laptop. B repeatedly told A that the laptop is not his property, and it is belong to him. Then also A leaves with B laptop. In that situation, A cannot take a defense of mistake of fact. It is a mistake of law. Now, these two provisions, mistake of law and mistake of fact, are based into the common legal maxim, which is ignoratia facti dot exhaust, ignoratia juris non exhaust. It means a person has done an act which by the law is an offense under a misconception of fact, leading to him believing in a good fact that was commanded by the law. In simple word, we can say that ignorance of fact is an excuse, but ignorance of law is not an excuse. Now, let us see an example. A police officer gets an information that G is a gangster and running a business of drugs. A went to arrest G, but he arrested B believing that he is G. In this case, A is acting under the command of law, and he can take the defense of mistake of fact. Section 79 of Indian Penal Code deal with the act of the person by mistake of fact, believing himself justified by the law. If the criminal defendant can prove that he does the act due to the mistake of fact or misunderstood some fact, then he can take the defense of mistake of fact. In case of State of Orissa versus Khora Ghasi, the accused, while gardening his field, shot an arrow on the moving object in a good faith, that believing that it was a bear, but the shot resulted in the death of the person. Here the accused get the immunity under the mistake of fact. But mistake of law is not considered as a defense. When a person commit any tort and any crime, asks for the defense that he does not know the law, the court does not consider it as a defense, and he is liable for an act he is doing. In Grant versus Borge 1982, the person was charged under the Immigration Act 1971 for studying beyond the time limit by the leave. Here he cannot apply for the defense of mistake of law, and he is liable. Now we comes to the conclusion that mistake of law is no defense to the violation of law. It is presumed that all the people understand the law of land except minor and lunatic person or an insane person. There are few rare exceptions of the mistake of law. On the other hand, the mistake of fact can be considered as a defense in Indian Penal Code. If a person does any act which he honestly believes to be justified by the law. Thank you for watching.